Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And our Mini Kit Monday host for the month of January is the lovely Kathy. She has provided us a mood inspiration board and several sketches, which are over at our Facebook group site. And I will have the link listed below in the description box. This is the sketch that I selected for layout number 2. Next, I'm going to review the products that I pre-selected from my kit. So we have 2 inks over there in the upper right-hand corner. I have one photograph of my husband and I have this scallop punch. I have 3 stencils, and we will go over each of those stencils as I use them. I also have a dolly. I have a pre-cut or punched out film strip that was in my box of yellow items. I have 2 tags. I have some acrylic flowers and hearts and stars over to the right, and 2 flare buttons. And then, of course, I have 2 12 by 12 papers from Crate Paper, and the flower pattern paper I am going to use small scallop punch. Then off camera, I trim that flower pattern paper to be 8 by 12. Then I trim the green and white polka dot paper to be 6 by 12 because I like an overlap, just to make sure that those 2 papers are secured together firmly. Next, I'm going to use the cloud stencil and apply the white Daisy exclusive ink, which is a pigment ink, from Close to My Heart, and it's just going to be subtle. You're going to barely see the images of the clouds. Then I'm going to come back with my heart stencil by Paige Evans and Close to My Heart Smoothie water-based dye ink, and apply that on top of some of the clouds in 3 locations that will peek out behind my photograph. Then I'm going to come back with the scripted stencil and use archival ink from Close to My Heart. I think it's the black archival ink, or it's the intensive black ink. And all 3 of those stencil images are just going to peek just behind the photograph a little bit to give some interest and draw your eye to the photograph. I'm going to bring in this big dolly and place it behind the photograph as one layer. Then I'm going to bring in the 2 tags and tuck them over by the right side. But first I play around with this film strip that I cut out a long time ago using Creative Memories border punch system. And you'll see that I tore that film strip kind of in half, and I decide that I am going to tuck that under my photograph and dolly to the left hand side. Next, I selected my title, which is Love You More, from Pink Fresh Studio collection a while back, and it's a pale yellow, and I thought it would work, but that busy flower pattern paper just overwhelmed my title. So then I grabbed my Tim Holtz Distress Paint in Pearl, Metallic, and then in Cracked Pistachio. And I decided to go with the Cracked Pistachio. And you'll watch me test this paint on the little heart. And at this point, I'm liking the color. It's going to stand out more than that pale yellow. So I have to apply 2 coats to those words and let them dry in between the coats. And then I went ahead and added a thin coat of glossy accent to those. Next, I want to color in this Vellum Butterfly, and I am using my Tri-Blend pens in green, turquoise, and citrus blend. And then I will place that butterfly right underneath my title, which says Love You More. Then you'll see me secure my flower acrylic pieces from Close to My Heart over there in the upper left-hand corner, and I will use glossy accent to secure those. I generally don't use the glossy accent. I just go ahead and use my wet adhesive glue. They always stay. I've never had one fall off, but I have the glossy accents out and handy, so that's why I used those. Then in the lower right and left hand corner, I added two like mustard gold photo corners, and I don't know what collection they came from. And then my final touch was adding some splatters using the Dilution Shimmer Spray in, I think I gotta look at it, I think it was Pure Sunshine. And it's kind of like a pretty goldy yellow color. I really love it. And I also love the lemon zest as well. But I did use, like I said, the Pure Sunshine. I love that color. And then my layout will be complete. Be sure to go check out please be sure to go check out Becky and Kathy's channel, and I will have the links to their channel listed below in the description box. Please go check out our Facebook group site. If you're not a member, just request to be a member and we'll get you approved right away. Be sure to get out your photographs and your scrappy supplies and document those memories in a fun, creative way. And the close-ups are coming up. Be sure to give me a thumbs up to help bring traffic to my channel. We are here to inspire you and maybe people that you and I don't know that are looking for inspiration. All right, we will see you next time. Bye.